It's National Novel Writing Month, which is the month where lots of people, millions of people come together to write a book in a month, essentially. And there's all kinds of contests for trying to get to that 50,000 words first and all of those other things. I think it would be really fun to do something on the channel, like a lot of writing sprints or some kind of a challenge. And I'm going to announce something next week. This is the beginning of it, so get your book idea sorted and kind of get started on it. And then come back to the channel, like and subscribe, don't forget to do that, because we're going to do something fun here. I really want to be able to celebrate National Novel Writing Month with you and write with you. I actually have a book proposal to get done this month, and then answer all your questions on how to write a better book. Because when you write a better book, you create a better reading experience, which makes more people read, which makes all of us more successful. Because my goal this month, and every month I guess, is to teach you how to write a better book, how to become that best-selling author that you want to become, how to make those dreams come true like they did for me. All those tips and tricks that I have stored up here in my brain from writing dozens and dozens and dozens of books and publishing them for 4 of the big 5. So if you have a writing question, drop it down below. Or if you have some kind of a challenge you'd love to do for November, drop it down below. I'm open to ideas because I don't think I've actually ever participated in NaNoWriMo before. I've almost always been on deadline. Let's get some writing done this month together. And in the meantime, take a few minutes to watch my video on plotting your book in an hour. Because once that hour is done, you've got the book plotted. You can write those 50,000 words this month. And good luck with your National Novel Writing Month challenge.